Hello, namaste, welcome. I'm Anna Breeze. Welcome to my website. This is a place for empaths, sensitives, and change makers. Those on a spiritual awakening path who are looking for tools to help empower them with their purpose, with their mission, and also just, to put into practice a lot of some self-care routines that we can have for ourselves as empaths. So there's lots of tools below this video. So have a look around. There is specifically a guide to helping reduce overwhelm as an empath, and that's available to download below. And also you can take a soul clarity coaching session with me. This is a video session that I actually tailor towards your specific struggle at this time. And that's something that you might want to consider, because we really would work on something that's going on just now. So maybe you're just struggling with the awakening process in itself, which can bring specific challenges that aren't always something you can talk about with, the people around you. So I hope to empower you and bring you the help that you need to feel alive, at peace, and more emotionally balanced in your relationships, in your work, and really to just find a greater peace within yourself. It's always about really coming back to source, coming back home to ourselves, back to the heart, and finding peace within ourselves and taking responsibility for our lives, and then also finding the inspiration that naturally arises from this well within us of potential, because we're all here, we've all got something to give and share with the world, and so it's my role is to help really bring out those gifts of yours and your talents, and to help empower you and give you the confidence, not give you the confidence, but help you to, be your cheerleader in a sense, so that you can be the fullest expression of the divine self that you are, because we're all aspects of the one divine infinite creator here, and we all have something unique to share. So also, if you're interested in personal one-to-one sessions with me, have a look at my holistic life and empowerment coaching, which you'll also find below this video. So thank you for being here. You are loved and you are light. Thank you for being in the world at this incredible time that is, we're having so many changes going on astrologically speaking, and that are affecting us on a day-to-day level. And also, again, as empaths, we sometimes take on, too much that's going on in the world. And it's helpful to come together in community, and also with a mentor that can help support you in that process of stepping into your potential in an empowered and confident way. Okay, so I just wanted to, come on and have a little introduction with you first. This is my book, The Wise Method, Awakening Earth Stewards in Unity and Purpose. There is a whole section in this book that is a self-discovery section as well, that can help you on your path. So there's a lot in this book. If you're interested, have a look on Amazon, and there should be the ebook version of it below as well, and also a PDF excerpt for you as well. And lastly, if you want to join my newsletter for empowerment tips and tools for empaths and healers and empaths and change makers, have a look, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you should find a place where you can sign up for my newsletter, and it would be lovely to stay in touch with you. Okay, thank you for your time and your patience. I love you, and I'm sending you strength, love, healing, and light. Namaste.